I made a 1-minute video about a university opening party for their Facebook so that I can better explain you the social media video creation process. I will show you the short video and explain what I did and why. This is the Camera User's Guide for Social Media Video Projects. After I was asked to make the video, I had a meeting with the event organizer and we went through what kind of content they would want. I got a free hand to design the video. The only requests were to make something fresh and colorful that would fit their social media. This video was targeted to university students who are mostly young adults. The main goal of the video is to show that it was a great night. The video should make people attend the next events, so the party has to look fun and exciting on the video. Therefore, I chose to make the video fast-paced. Fast cuts fit well to the party theme of the video. The length of the video is 1 minute. It's important for a social media video to be short because of the shorter attention span online. In this case, there was also a hard limit for the length, since the video was not only posted to Facebook, but also to Instagram. Instagram has a 60-second limit on the videos in its feed, at least for now. But what video am I talking about? Before going forward in the process, let's watch it and see how it turned out.
Been on the run for so long. Now I found me. Fears disappear, I'm standing strong. I'm breaking free.
What do you think? I think the result fits well to the goals and fulfills the purpose. It's fresh, colorful and fun. I had to move around quickly at the party venue to be able to catch the best emotions of the audience and the bands, so it wouldn't have been practical to use a tripod. I was shooting handheld with a cage and an external monitor. Both reduced shakiness by adding some weight to the camera, and the added contact points helped with the handling. The monitor made manual focusing much easier. It's hard to see what's in focus from the small screen on the camera, especially in the party venue lighting. Everything was shot on manual settings and manual focus. F-stop number was kept small to gather more light from the dark venue. Shutter speed was 1/50th of a second to eliminate possible flickering on our European lights. For this kind of party video, a natural choice for the audio track was a party song. It would have been difficult to find a song of the exact length of the video, so the final track was pieced together from different parts of one song to make it shorter. Now, this is something that can make your videos a lot better. Make the video and audio go hand in hand. If you use music, not only should the song fit the mood of the video, but try to also cut the video in a way that movement in the video flows well with the sound. For example, in my example video, the calmer shots are placed in the middle of the video where the music is calmer. And for example, every shot of the audience is sped up or slowed down some amount so that the jumping and clapping can be cut to follow the beat. This is how it originally looked like. And this is the result after editing it to flow with the music. You don't normally need to make things follow the music this closely, but always try to listen to the sounds so that the edit would flow well with the audio. I shot everything with the flat picture profile to get most data out of the camera for post-processing. I also shot in higher resolution than the end product so that I had the possibility to crop in post-production if needed. Contrast, exposure, white balance and saturation were adjusted for each clip in editing, and some stabilization was applied here and there if there were some shakiness. You should always try to get what you want straight from the camera, but don't be afraid to make it even better by small adjustments in post either. The changes made to the picture in post were not big in this video, because the footage already had a lot of color due to the lighting in the venue. But these are the basic things I always do in editing. Because it was a social media video, I chose powerful shots to the beginning to make the viewer interested in it. The fast cutting pace then helps to keep the attention. In social media, if your viewer gets bored for a few seconds, they can scroll to the next thing. So try to stay short and interesting. This was a part 2 video. If you want to learn more about creating videos for social platforms, there is a link to the part 1 in the description. If this video was interesting, leave a like and subscribe to the Camera User to see more videos like this.